Now let us look at the ways for pallet stacking. The effective storage of goods in a warehouse normally involves the stacking of pallets. Why? In that case, you will be saving the space as well as you would be able to handle different SKUs in a better way. Either in a warehouse, normally it involves the stacking of pallet, either one pallet on the top of another, or more commonly, the placing of pallets into some form of racking. So in some warehouses, there would be pallets stacked over each other, but it depends upon the type of product which is being placed on that pallet. But the common practice would be to have racks in which those pallets would be stacked. In order to achieve this, the truck must be capable of lifting a defined load. So the forklifts or trucks or tractors, whatever the warehouse has, they have the ability to lift the pallet with the load so that it could be placed in a stack, in the rack. The load centers represent the center of gravity of the load at a specified distance from the heel of the forks. So load center, what is load center? It actually represents the center of gravity at the specified distance from the heel of the fork. Fork ने जिसको lift करना है, कहाँ पर उसको place किया जाएगा fork को, so that they can make use of the center of gravity. It is thus normally equivalent to about the center of load being lifted. So the lifter, the forks, the position of that fork should be normally near to the center of the pallet. This is the diagrammatic representation of the center of gravity point for the fork to lift a pallet. So pallet lifting would be done from the load center, and load center is shown here. So it's almost the center of the pallet or the load. There are stacker trucks which are used for stacking. There are counterbalanced forklift trucks who can actually balance the pallets automatically. And there are reach trucks as well, which are smaller in size, and they are used for aisles where the distance is not that much. In fact, the counterbalanced forklift trucks can also be used for aisles which are narrower in size. Normally, an aisle would be 3.5 meters in width. So that normally two people can actually move in that aisle. But if there are narrower aisles, then counterbalanced lift trucks would be appropriate and the reach trucks would be more appropriate. Then stacker trucks would not be appropriate option because they cannot move in that narrower aisles. This is one of the counterbalanced forklift truck. So students, we have seen some of the strategies, some of the tools, material handling tools for pallet stacking. Thank you.